welcome to Jun's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Jeyuk Deopbap, which means spicy stir-fried pork with rice. Well, Deopbap means usually rice served with some kind of meat and other ingredients on top. So it's a quite common dish you can get from Korean restaurants. So, well, when you come to Korea and visit a Korean restaurant, you might see this menu. Anyway, I hope you enjoy today's recipe. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for 제육볶음. Any vegetables you have. And this is oyster mushroom. This mushroom is a really common mushroom for Korean cooking. And this sliced pork on picnic part. I'm going to prepare all the ingredients for stir frying in advance. You can use any part of pork you like, unless it's too tough. I'm going to just prepare the mushroom, tearing up like this. Well, all the ingredients are prepared. It looks a lot, especially cabbage, but after cooking, it will get reduced. Well, for the sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar or sugar substitute, and 2 tablespoons of matsu, but it's quite optional. If you have sake or white wine, you can use. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. One tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of chili paste. I'm trying to make this dish not that spicy, but I'm pretty sure if you have this dish in Korea, it will be much spicier. And half teaspoon of ginger, and actually a little bit more than 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. 1 tablespoon of starch syrup. If you don't have, you can just add more sugar. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. If you have perilla oil, you can use instead. And 1/4 of teaspoon of ground black pepper. After adding all the ingredients for sauce, just mix well. I'm going to marinate the meat in advance with sauce shortly. You might think, isn't it too much sauce for the meat? Yes, but I'm going to use those sauce for the vegetable later. Heat the pan without any oil first and add the meat. The oil you need for frying will come from the pork fat. Because this marinating sauce, after you adding the meat on the pan, you have to keep stir frying because that sauce easily get burnt. When the meat get cooked roughly 80%, then you can add the vegetables, starting with solid vegetables like carrot. And add the cabbage, chopped cabbage, and mushrooms too. Don't forget to add the leftover sauce. When cabbage and mushroom cooked, you can add the last ingredients, green onion. It's almost done. You know, those vegetables, some things you can eat raw, so you can eat right away. But I like to cook a little bit more, so I'm going to stir frying a little bit more. There's any water on the bottom, so I'll finish here. 맛있게 드세요. Well, did you enjoy today's recipe? It wasn't that difficult, was it? Well, I served this pork with rice this time, but you can actually serve with other kinds of food like noodle, or just with a simple green salad will be okay too. Anyway, thanks for watching, and any comment will be welcome. See you next time.